Salome has weakened and is now moving southwestward over Luzon Strait. The tropical depression was last spotted 85 kilometers southwest of Basco, Batanes. It is forecast to continue weakening throughout the forecast period until it becomes a remnant low by tomorrow. Signal number 1 is up over Batanes, northern and western portions of Babuyan Islands, and northwestern portion of Ilocos Norte. Other areas in the country may also experience rains due to the ITCZ, easterlies, and localized thunderstorms.
Joining us now for the latest in Tropical Depression Salome is Pag-asa weather specialist John Manalo. John, thank you for joining us.
Magandang umaga po at ganoon din sa ating mga taga-subaybay.
Ayan, based sa huling report natin, John, no, sino pa bang apektado ng Tropical Depression Salome?
Opo, mainly when it comes to lakas ng hangin, no, ang apektado pa rin ay yung Batanes, yung Babuyan Islands, pero yung western part na lang ng Babuyan Islands at yung northwestern part ng Ilocos Norte. Pero when it comes to rainfall, ay maapektuhan pa rin. Hindi lang yung binanggit nating mga probinsya, kasama din yung Apayao, Abra at yung Cagayan.
Yeah, how about John, yung Metro Manila?
Yung Metro Manila po ay partly cloudy to cloudy skies. Ibig sabihin ay mas mababa yung chance ng mga pag-ulan. Pero nandun pa rin yung posibilidad ng mga localized thunderstorm or yung panandali ang mga pag-ulan for a specific area lang and for a short period of time.
So yung mga may planong may weekend getaway approaching this Saturday and Sunday, yung abiso mo, be cautious kung saan kayo pupunta.
Well, in general po, magdala pa rin po tayo ng payong at kung uulan man, panandalian lang yun. So may enjoy pa rin naman po.
Any other weather systems that we are monitoring?
Sa kasalukuyan, may nakikita po tayo na cloud clusters pero nasa labas pa ito ng Philippine Area of Responsibility. Meron itong potential na maging low pressure area pero next week pa. And siguro, maganda rin po na i-mention na dahil naka-apat na tayo this October, ang inaasahan na lang natin na mga bagyo, until the end of the 2025 ay 2 to 5 na lang.
So ano update John with regards sa amihan?
Sa amihan po, no, hindi pa rin tayo nag-onset. Well, pero nakikita na natin yung mga signatures na amihan na pero hindi pa talaga nag-onset dahil
malamig sa umaga Malamig sa umaga
Ayan, opo. So yan po yung isa sa mga senyales na talagang papunta na tayo doon pero hindi pa rin po officially nagde-declare yung pag-asa ng onset dahil kailangan ma-meet pa rin natin na malaking bahagi ng Luzon dapat northeasterly winds na.
Pero
perhaps,
go ahead, sorry.
This coming week or within this week nakikita natin na mataas na talaga yung posibilidad na mag-onset na tayo.
Pero definitely hindi na tayo aabot sa 36, 38 degrees.
Well, mababa na yung chance. Paunti-unti, mararamdaman na po natin yung Christmas feels, yung mas malamig na temperature.
Na-excite lang ang mga kababayan natin dyan. Pasensya na. We had to ask that. Sige, any other questions, Angel? That's it. Thank you for that. Pag-asa weather specialist John Manalo for joining us once again on our program.